Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update of a Polygon crypto. What's going on in the Matic, which the price changes, let me show you. But before starting this video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about a Polygon Matic guys. So guys, now at this time the latest price of Polygon live price is about 142 cent. 142 cent is the live price. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes, so I think Polygon Matic is a unique crypto in the market, which the last 1 hour, the both changes, from yesterday the Polygon Matic is positive guys. So except of Polygon, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, these all coin is all negative guys. So Polygon is a profitable coin due to these positive changes guys. You can see here, if you look the price chart, so you already know that at this time for 2 days the price will repeatedly decrease. But let me zoom in the price chart. You can see here guys, after falls, as I told you in my every videos, that after falls there is a jump. Now from 8 September the price of Polygon again start jumping guys. You can see here guys, now they are in the jumping mode guys. Other side, if we talk about the updates, so 23.28% positive changes occur in the Polygon, and 1.78 USD dollar is the highest price of Polygon Matic guys. So Polygon Matic is a positive cryptocurrencies, and I think September is a Polygon month guys. It is opportunity with all of you. Invest in a Polygon and make a profit. Everything is on the front of your eyes. From a price chart, it's clear that September is a Polygon month. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.